What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a walk around on a 1973 Roadrunner. This one here came with a 400 in it. It does have power steering, front disc brakes, got the AC set up on it. It is not working at the moment. It's going to need some help there. We're going to point out any kind of flaws that I can find so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Check out maplemotors.com. We can finance these cars. We have 3 companies on that site that you can pick from. We also ship these cars all over the country. And if you like this channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. I do test drive videos of this as well. I just got off the road, pulled over here, kind of a secluded spot. That way I can go ahead and get this video done. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and help us out by sharing these videos. It helps us out greatly. We're gonna get started up here in the front. The bumper on this one is not new. You can see it's got some pitting popping up on it. See some little spots in the bumper there. Got some rash right up here in the grill. Looking down this side. We're gonna start on the lower portion, come back to midsection, and hit the top portion. The tires on this thing are in great shape. You can tell they're practically new. Looking at the bottom of this door, let's see something here. Oh, the clear coat's trying to come off there in the corner. I thought it's been worked, but it was faded because the clear coat's coming off right here. See that in the bottom? Coming down the side. Got some small little bubbles popping up in the corner of that door. Coming on down a little bit more. Couple touch-up marks. That's a spider. I'll get rid of him. Coming on back some more. The paint on this has definitely got a good shine to it. Nice and clean. Coming down the midsection. Down the top, trim looks pretty good. It's definitely been replaced. Got the Roadrunner everywhere. Stripes here are a little bit faded and you can see the stickers kind of coming apart. Coming across this back bumper, you can see it's definitely got some pitting popping up on it all the way around. Some scratches. Dual exhaust out the back. I went in and opened the trunk, so I'm not flipping stuff around on the camera and making y'all dizzy. Try to get the best view I can on this one. Lid's in great condition. Weather stripping around this is older. Should still be working. It's not falling apart or anything, so. And what's my detail guy doing? Leaving it all dusty for us. Let's look under this. We got some moisture coming down in here. Definitely gonna need to get the water out of this. But as you can see, we don't hide nothing here. If it's got moisture in it, I'm gonna let you know. A little bit of rust down in here. The trunk pan's actually pretty solid. It's got some little spots and areas, but nothing looks like it's rusted all the way through. I'm not seeing any like major rust holes, anything that you should be worried about. It's actually in decent shape. What we're going to do is take it back to the lot and get all this wiped out, cleaned up real good. Checking out the package tray, it's in good shape. Okay. See how the trunk shuts. Well, that was easy. Looks like a couple little bubbles popping up back here. Real small stuff. Tell this car's been done a while. The trunk's sitting a little high on the edge here. It's not flush. Let's check the other side real quick. I bet you it is. Yeah, see, it looks a lot better over here. A little high on this edge, but lines up there. Let's go to the other side, look down the lower portions, come back to midsection and hit the top just like we did on the driver's side. Looks like a little bit of wax left over there in the corner and up under the fender well there. Little paint chip. Some more wax. That could have been, no, that was definitely clear coat on the other side. You got some paint runs right there at the bottom of the door. Okay, let's go back this midsection and check it out. Stripes in good shape. The mirror here's got pitting all over it. Same thing's going on with that sticker as the driver's side. This car is beautiful. It's in great condition. Some small issues all the way around, but nothing major here. So let's go ahead and head on to the inside of the car, check it out, get it started up, and then I'll give you some undercarriage shots. The interior is all green. Door panel here's got a little bit of fading on the center. Weather stripping looks great around the door. Checking the bottom of the door here. Should be a lot easier to see with this lighter color. It's in pretty good shape. Trim looks good. You got a little dent there. Got some chipping in the corner there where the paint's kind of coming off, flaking. Same with that corner there. Weather stripping on the back window needs to be replaced. You see it's kind of dried up. Around the door looks good though, it's not bad. A little dry, but seems to be doing its job. The seat's in great shape. Back seat looks awesome. Package tray's in great shape. Headliner could be stretched a little bit in the back. For the most part, it looks good though. It's not all messed up. Those headliners are difficult to get perfect. Gotta find the keys. Sorry guys. I was like, what did I do? All right here. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? A little thing we've been doing. This car, it smells like it's been sitting in a garage for a while. It smells clean. It's not bad at all. Could use a little cherry pie air freshener. All right, start it up. Starts up nice and easy. The radio does work on this one. AC does not work, but our blower motor does. So we got, it is blowing. It's kind of quiet. Normally you can hear them blowing. This one is blowing. The wipers, you can hear them kick on and start working, but the wipers are not hooked up. So the motor is working, it just needs to be re-hooked up. Engine temperature is slightly coming up. I don't know how correct that is. I would almost add another gauge. Oil pressure is coming up, gas is coming up, alternator's coming up, and the speedo works on the test drive. Going by mileage, I cannot stand behind that. This is a 73 model. Horn wise, well, it's not honking on the steering wheel, but right up under the dash here, you got you a loud horn. Good deal. Let's go ahead and check this outside out. Listen to the motor. Motor's nice and quiet. Coming down with the hood, it comes down nice and easy. You do have extra hood pins. They can go up on there, but it does lock without them, so you don't necessarily need them. For looks and safety, I guess. That hood looks pretty good. You got some chips up in the corner. Other than that, it's pretty good. Let's go ahead and